Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price update. Now, Tectonic token have actually hit a massive increase in price in the past 24 hours in terms of volume. Tectonic token is really increasing. What could be pushing Tectonic token? And I believe recently we also that Binance founder CZ have actually said, giving some advice for Tectonic token and other small coin. I believe CZ might be listening some new small coins very soon, and I believe that Tectonic token, if they really work towards the advice CZ Binance founder have actually given, I believe that they might get listed by Binance. And remember that Tectonic token is already on watch list. Then even not just Binance, even on Coinbase also on watch list. And I believe before the end of next year, we are expecting over 5 to 7 or 8 crypto exchanges that might be listing in Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token, to me, I still believe they have something good to offer, considering that they have about 500 trillion coins in circulation. I know that that amount is much. They need to destroy this circulating supply, and also they just been listed by top two crypto exchanges, crypto.com and VVS Finance. So by the time we'll be seeing about 5 new or 7 new crypto exchanges listing Tectonic token, definitely something good is going to happen in Tectonic. The truth is, crypto industry in 2022 didn't do well. A lot of coins have actually dropped. Even Bitcoin really dropped from all the way from $67,000 down to $16,000, $17,000. And since then, for the past 5 months, BTC have found it difficult to really increase. And I believe that BTC definitely is going to hit a massive level in 2023. Many people will be making a lot of money in crypto industry 2023. Remember, if Bitcoin can hit back at its all-time price of over $65,000, then definitely Tectonic token might be deleting a zero. We might be seeing Tectonic token deleting a zero. Binance founder has been showing a lot of support for crypto industry, especially the Lunar Classic, and then showing support for Tectonic token. I believe is going to really help Tectonic holders to really make some good profit for themselves. Tectonic token can delete 1 to 2 zero before the end of 2025 if the developers can really stick to the advice of CZ, Binance founder, and also if they can get Tectonic token to partner with some top crypto exchanges and also destroy the circulating supply of Tectonic token. With that in mind, I believe Tectonic token definitely is going to hit high level in 2023. I believe holders will be smiling next year. Let's hope to see that Tectonic token is not going to be keep dropping, rather this coin will keep increasing in price before the end of next year. We want to see Tectonic token deleting a 0 or 2 zeros. Once again, remember this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.